Switch case guards gives you more control over your case patterns. So in this example, we have our variable score, which we have set to 19. And one thing to focus on is this case section. This first case section wherein we have used the keyword when that indicates a case guard. All right. Now with the case guard, it has to be a Boolean expression. You can have multiple comparisons within your case guard. So in this case, our case has this comparison or pattern match against a constant of 10, which then would proceed with our case guard. So if our score is greater than or equal to 10, then we also need to satisfy our case guard also. So in this case, we have set the condition here to have our score in between this 15 and 20 range of values. All right. So if it's within 15 and 20, then we get this 10 bonus points message. And if that fails, or initially if our first case fails, then again it would proceed to the next case, which is if the score would be over 20, then you get 15 bonus points. And then lastly, you have your default, which is uh, gives you 0 bonus points if everything else fails. All right. So if we run this one, we should be expecting a message of 10 bonus points. So if we just clear this one up, hopefully yep, that froze for a second there. But anyways, we got our correct message here, 10 bonus points, which means that it went through this case guard. Okay. And you can have case guards for each of your cases. It depends on the logic that you are trying to achieve. And so that is your switch case guards.